Hello friends, in this video we're going to learn how to register in the Bitso exchange. When you enter the website, click on Start Now, enter the country of residence, then enter your email and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. Then repeat your password for confirmation. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. And if you want to receive news from Bitso, you can check this box. Then click on I'm not a robot. Finally, click on Start. We're gonna receive a 6-digit code to verify our email. Go to your email, click on Bitso, copy the code, then paste it here. We entered our account's dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.